The majority of Southern African Development Community SADC heads of state have snapped the bloc's extraordinary summit happening in Harare. Chava chishamiso chinoonekwa kunzi aiwa mapresidents ekumarepublics aiwa ekumakountries anocontributed to the SADC bloc aiwa vanosinabha kana kuti they did not attend the summit inenge ichichewa nemutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe. Kunoonekwa kunzi out of 15 mamembers only 4 mahead of states vanongoatenda zvachamisa vanhu nemutungamiri wenyika. Zandapinda masvika mudaniko pana apo subscribe or like turn the bell icon. Timu yangu namuonekwa mchinzi out of the 15 member states only 4 heads of state Democratic Republic of Congo Felix Tshisekedi, outstanding Mozambican leader Philippe Nyusi, Madagascar Andre Nirina, the Botswana's newly elected president Gideon Maboko attended the summit, whose main agenda is to discuss the security crisis in the Eastern DRC and Mozambique's post-election violence. The absence of the large number of presidents is glaring. The absence of President of South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa is understandable since he is currently in Brazil for the G20 summit and sent Deputy President Paul Mashatile Eswatini King Mswati 3, sent Prime Minister Russell Memise Dlamini since his place where Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema deployed his Foreign Affairs Minister Mulambo Wahimbe without explaining his non-attendance. Ndo mashoko atona kuti aiwa it is a shock aiwa kune the SADC chairman achiona kuti vanhu havasi kumufarira mapresidents chaiwo vakamuisa as the chairman aiwa havasi kufara his leadership nekuda kwekusinamba kwavaita the summit. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vapinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.